Well, everybody, this is going to be my weekly video because you guys did not want to see me sand for 4 fucking days. But basically, I've got a lot of blue, got most of the red off the cab of the car, both doors, the fenders, the hood, the roof, and eventually I got tired of sanding, to be quite honest, so I took the fender off. And as you can see, it is quite rotted, especially along the rails that hold it on. The front is just brutally messed up, and God knows what that's about, because that is where the indentation is. It looks like it was sectioned together at some point, maybe. I don't know, but I have another fender and I'm screwing it up because, like I said, I got tired of sanding. It looks like it's going to need about 2.5 inches for the wheel well move forward to get the wheels somewhat centered in the cab, or yeah, centered in the fender. So that's what I am working on at the moment. I need to go get my welding gas so I can actually, weld it, but I decided to get the fender out, and boy was that a pain in the ass, to be quite honest. I mean, this thing, it looked like it had never been taken apart. So the area attaching to the actual front end to your radiator support was completely rotted out. I had to cut the bolts out from the inside. I had to cut one of the top bolts out. All the bolt holes in the side of the cab are actually reamed out like crazy. I was just looking at the bolt holes on the stock one that I have, and in comparison to this guy, you can see these are just reamed out in these couple spots. So he reamed these out, ran bigger bolts, because that side is a little messed up, I believe. Just looking at it, he cut the bottom off it as well, so this one's sitting lower. But there's a big indentation right here, and I think that pulled it in, so he had to ream it out to get it to really fit. So it is a bit of a piece of crap right there. So I've been kind of trying to decide what to do, whether I want to get a bar inside there and try to bend it back out, just hit it in the center a couple times. I don't know that I have anything really good for that, but I mean, it could help, but at the same time, it could also mess up my door, which is already problematic as crap. So I'm kind of like a little hesitant to do that. I mean, the gaps on the bottom is real tight, and that door does not shut well. So it's kind of one of those things like, beware of what you're working on. So, but yeah, I really love this wheel well centered. I kind of want to raise it up a little bit, and I just don't know if I want to do that, just because that's just such a I'll have to section it a whole lot more places to get that to work, but I don't know yet. I'm trying to raise the back of it up a little bit. I already did a little by bending up the bracket at the back, because it was really kind of fitting weird, and I think it's because of that indentation yet again. But yeah, this is it, guys. I mean, truck's blue, the bed is God knows what color. I'm not even sure if this is paint, because it's going down to bare metal. It could just be really rusty. There are some paint right there, but whites and oranges. So I'm still not sure what I'm going to do. How about this? Everybody kind of give me a comment on what you think I should do. Should I just try to match some patina on the bed and run this thing as patina, which I'll also have to do on the fender, obviously, is get some rattle cans and maybe do a faux patina on it? Or do I hot rod black it? Do I just make it nasty? Just black it out and go crazy on it? I think I can get it done before the power tour. I might take a week off just to get everything prepped and just run a couple coats of, Blitz black on it. So that's John Deere enamel tractor paint. I've painted with it before. The 821 mixture gives it a nice little sheen. I mean, this thing's obviously got a lot of craziness to it, so I'm not sure I really like the patina, just because so many bare spots and so many black spots. It's a little more speckled than I'd like. I mean, this fender has barely got paint on it. There's just crap tons of Bondo, and it looks like this one was sectioned together too. I'm guessing. I mean, yet again, we got that nice little L. It looks like someone just cut it and maybe put it back together again. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Like I don't know if this was done with the conversion or what, but somebody did some stuff. But yeah, I need to get that gravel guard replaced too. You know, now that I'm taking the fenders off, I'm gonna have to get that. I got a new gravel guard out in the shed too. So lots going on, fellas. But yeah, give me your feedback. Hot rod, Blitz black, or do we continue patina on this thing? So another little thing I forgot to tell you guys I'm working on: gas filler instead of this stupid box with the little gas cap in it. Make this nice little army tank with a flip top. It's going to be my gas filler. So cool little piece for that too. But all right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day and just kind of clean up. And it's been a long weekend. I've went through 50 orbital discs doing this. So all right, guys, peace.